In just a matter of a few years, thousands of people will be driving on these strange-looking structures. They're the building blocks of the new Harbor Bridge. Thanks so much for joining us. Ground was broken for the new Harbor Bridge in August of last year, and we've since seen some prep work getting underway. That project is about to get into the actual building stage. Chris 6 News reporter Ashley Portillo got a first-hand look today at some structures that will play a major role in that phase of the project. She joins us now in the studio with more. Ashley.
Well, Priscilla, this is what you'll be seeing across the city's skyline by late spring of 2020. Right now, a 40-acre site in Robstown is where the pieces to this giant structure are starting to be put together. This looks like a piece from a giant Lego set, but it's far from child's play. When it's all put together, the new $800 million bridge will look like this. Planning and design for the bridge has been going on for over a decade, and now comes the final phase, the actual construction of the new Harbor Bridge.
We're casting the first segments for the bridge, and each segment, weighing approximately 100 tons, will be used to construct the bridge as it crosses the harbor.
To put that into perspective, 100 tons is the equivalent to 45 F-150s, and it's a tedious process putting those tons of cement into work. Molds are placed in specially made metal frameworks imported from Italy. Then the cement is poured. And next,
we match cast them here so that we ensure that geometry and the match they fit here so that when we set them up where the bridge actually goes, it is going to fit there.
Imagine a gigantic concrete and metal puzzle where every piece has to go into its proper place. This is one of the 2,600 segments that will go into the new Harbor Bridge. It's a northbound segment, and above me is a new roadway that cars will travel on. Each segment is about 50 cubic yards of concrete, and currently there are 5 that are completed. The next stop for them, the site of the new Harbor Bridge. And when they're all put together, this is what they'll form.
We won't store all 2,600 here, but there'll be quite a few, and we'll start transporting as we start to construct, but we'll still be building as we're erecting some of them in the field.
Each of those segments that will basically form the skeleton of the Harbor Bridge roadway takes 1 day to create. The new bridge is being built for endurance, and it's designed to last 170 years. Ashley Portillo, Chris 6 News.
All right, Ashley, thanks for that update. And construction of the new Harbor Bridge isn't just going to change the look of our skyline. It's going to mean a huge change for hundreds of Northside residents. We're specifically talking about HILLCREST neighborhood. Demolition began back in July of some homes that needed to be cleared to make room for the new bridge. A voluntary buyout program is in place for affected residents. 500 homes are eligible for the program. Homeowners have until 2019 to sign up for that buyout program.